Welcome to Reporter Vesperia. Welcome to another video. Today we will rank Miraculous Ladybug characters. So let's see who is number 1. Okay, so hashtag 10 character is Hawkmoth. Hawkmoth has the right intentions for wanting to bring back Emilia Grest because he can't think of any other way to bring her back. Also, I feel like when people need to vent about their life, he gives them just the opportunity to do so. Although I want the superheroes to win, I really hope Gabriel or Hawkmoth get back Emilia and become happy again. I also want Adrian to be happy too. I have to admit, I would be just as sad if he doesn't get the miraculouses and his wife never comes back, as if he gets it and his wife does come back. Hashtag 9 is Rena Rouge. She is very determined when it comes to her blog, but just because her blog is a full-time job doesn't mean she shouldn't try to do multitasking. She is actually super pretty and deserves to get a miraculous again, collaborated well with Ladybug and Cat Noir. Her powers are so cool. Rena Rouge really wants to help Ladybug and would do anything to save Paris and everyone. Rena Rouge is amazing, and I mean Lila is so busted when she was with Tina. She's the mean girl, but what's not to like about her? But her mom left her and went to New York and bring Zoe as a replacement with her. She only became mean because her mom and sis left her, and only mean so she won't have anyone to lose. Chloe is by far the best character of the series. She's a strong young woman, she has personality, and she knows how to defend herself. I think she secretly admires Marinette because Marinette is so likable. Chloe probably wishes and could be like Marinette and have lots of friends, and this is why Chloe hates her so much. By the way, she's the only one who calls Marinette by her full name, Marinette Dupancheng. Hashtag 7 Luca. Luca is one of the best characters. He always cares about others. He likes Marinette, but she has crush on Adrian, so he wants him to be with her because he thinks it is best for her. He always puts Marinette before himself. Unlike Kagami, he wants Marinette to be happy with Adrian. Kagami wants him all to herself, but even though Luca has a crush on Marinette, he still wants her to be happy, so yeah, that just happened. Luca is very supportive and kind. I think that him and Julika are the ultimate sibling goal. He can also play guitar, which I think is cool. And now he knows who really his father is. It's really cool that Marinette trusted her and that she now knows that she is Ladybug and that she could fight with Anakuma. Clever and insightful, I believe Alia is the most underrated character. She has helped Marinette be the person she is today and is awesome as Rena Rouge. I love Alia. She is my one of the favorite characters in Miraculous Ladybug. She is savage, gets straight to the point, and is one of the only characters that actually actively helps the Adrian ship. He always helped Marinette to confess her love to Adrian. So, hashtag 5 is Tiki. My second favorite commie right after Black is Tiki. She is intelligent, wise, kind, serious, motherly, and a great friend. I would love to have a friend like her. If only Black and Tiki were humans and my best friends. She should be real. Imagine having someone tell you 24 into 7 good advice before you make a mistake. She's also extremely supportive and I love that. But also, she gives Marinette superhero powers. Hashtag 4 is Adrian. Adrian is a very kind, good-mannered but also sad individual. He longs for freedom from his life and finds it at Cat Noir. Despite his crazy life, Adrian is still a delightful friend and is very handsome. No matter Marinette loves him. Okay, this is way too easy. Adrian is just a kind, sweet, and caring person. If only he knew his father was Hawkmoth, he wouldn't be a hero. I'm actually thankful for Hawkmoth. Okay, may I just say that as Adrian is my dream boy? He is good looking, he's a nice person, he's great, and I relate to him a lot. No matter that Adrian doesn't realize that Marinette have a heavy crush on him. Hashtag 3 is Ladybug. Some may argue that she is quite underrated in her own show, But in my honest opinion, I think she gets the credit she deserves. Of course, though, she could always get more appreciation and very much deserve it. Ladybug represents Marinette corning out of her shell and exploring what is almost an alter ego. This side of Marinette is confident, brave, caring, sassy, and absolute queen. She deserves the word that she continues to kick ass to say. Graceful, stunning, confident, strong, and brave. I see Ladybug as the person Marinette has always strived to be, and being a superhero has given her the chance. Cat Noir and Ladybug are my personal favorites, and for good reason. Ladybug is probably my favorite superhero. She always manages to save everyone and is very kind to others. I love it how she always says as Cat Noir when it's Adrian, it's kill me. She is a superhero who does her best to save Paris from Hawkmoth alongside Cat Noir, always doing things for the greater good. I also noticed that she is similar to Belle from Beauty and the Beast, as both are heroes of their respective stories. The only problem I have with her is that I sometimes can't relate to her, and she do act selfish at times because he doesn't realize how much Cat Noir loves her. So hashtag 2 is Marinette. Marinette is such an amazing person. She has a lot of great personalities and saves everyone from Hawkmoth. Marinette has trouble speaking to Adrian, but that doesn't mean Kagame is such a better person than Marinette, in my opinion. And if you are a true miracular, then you would agree with me too. Hopefully, I think I find it cute and so awesome when she tries to talk to Adrian, and she also works so hard with the bakery. She also worked Jagged Stone Shades and album. She also has some scenes of humor. Marinette focuses on school and her duty as well. She is saving Paris with her amazing cat. Cat Noir. Marinette is a silky dog that puts herself in front of others. If you know disc personality types, then she would probably be S, if you know what I mean. She and Adrian would be perfect for one another, even if he doesn't realize it yet. But someday he will. Marinette is such a lovable dog that I believe any teen can relate to. She may act impulsive at times, but she is still a good person by heart. Okay, so hashtag 1 is Cat Noir. Honestly, I really like Cat Noir's character because he's the kind of person I like to be friends with. Putting aside the fact that he is one fine specimen, his personality really takes top billing. He is charismatic, sassy, confident, and sure knows how to love a woman. Unlike Adrian, Cat Noir has a sense of humor which makes me like him. I'm really mad at Adrian for not realizing Marinette's feeling for him sooner, but Cat Noir is pretty fun. He's like my, when I say, the most favorite character. He is the best. The thing I love the most about him is that he is natural when he is Cat Noir. Don't have a mother, never had friends, is stuck at home, lonely. Father is a super villain, heartbroken. Then also, even when he doesn't get his father's love, he is always making everyone happy and also himself happy. I really like Cat Noir. The old characters of Miraculous Ladybug great. It is tough to read between them. Which character you like the most? Tell me now in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like my video. Reporting out.